Assembly or parliament in which no party has got clear majority hung. Assembly or parliament in which no party has got clear majority hung. A violent wind that has circular movement. Hurricane. A violent wind that has circular movement. Hurricane. In a quick manner. Hurriedly. In a quick manner. Hurriedly. A box or case for rabbits or small animals. A box or case for rabbits or small animals. Hutch. Hutch. The science of surveying and charting bodies of water. The science of surveying and charting bodies of water. Hydrography. Hydrography. Extreme fear of water. Hydrophobia. Extreme fear of water. Hydrophobia. A song or music in praise of God. Hymn. A song or music in praise of God. Hymn. An exerted statement not to be taken seriously or literally. An exerted statement not to be taken seriously or literally. Hyperbola. Hyperbola. Excessive perception. Excessive preoccupation. Excessive preoccupation with one's health. Hypochondria. Hypochondria. A person who suffers from an imaginary illness. A person who suffers from an imaginary illness. A person who is abnormally anxious about his death. Hypochondria. Hypochondria. A pretense of having a virtuous character. A pretense of having a virtuous character, moral or religious beliefs or principles that one does not really possess. Hypocrisy. That one does not really possess. Hypocrisy. A person pretending to be somebody he is not. A person pretending to be somebody he is not. Hypocrite. Hypocrite. A tentative theory about the natural world. A tentative theory about the natural world. Hypothesis. Hypothesis. Filled with fear or dread. Hysterical. Filled with fear or dread. Hysterical. A person who attacks or citizen. A person who attacks or citizen. Christ. Beliefs or institution. Iconoclast. Iconoclast. A person's peculiar habit. A person's peculiar habit. Idiosyncrasy. Idiosyncrasy. A mode of behavior. A mode of behavior or way of thought peculiar to an individual. Idiosyncratic. Idiosyncratic. An image of a god used for worship. An image of a god used for worship. Idol. The practice of worshipping statues as gods. The practice of worshipping statues as gods. Idolatry. Idolatry. Extremely happy, peaceful or picturesque. Extremely happy, peaceful or picturesque. Idyllic. A circular house made of blocks of hard snow. A circular house made of blocks of hard snow. Igloo. Not to pay attention to someone or something. Not to pay attention to someone or something. Ignore. Poor physical or mental condition. Health. Poor physical or mental condition. Health. Ill health. Handwriting which is difficult to impossible to read. Handwriting which is difficult or impossible to read. Illegal. That which is unlawful. Illicit. A person who cannot read or write. A person who cannot read or write. Illiterate. To brighten up with lights. Illuminate.